Okay, so a lot of people have been struggling with performance, and in today's video I just want to show you 5 tips on your Samsung phone that will help you to get the most out of your phone's performance and potentially make it faster than it actually is. Stay tuned for what's to come in this video, but before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into it. Okay, so tip number 1 will definitely be storage. Managing your storage will help with performance, so I'm gonna help you in this video on how you can do that. So we're quickly gonna go into our Samsung settings, and then we scroll up until we find battery and device care. Tap on that, and here you'll see storage. Tap on that as well. And you don't want your storage to be like mine, 91% used. I recommend your storage to be around 60 to 50%, around there. So to clear up some storage, you're gonna look at some of the recommended unused apps that you're not using, or the large files at the bottom here that Samsung recommends you to delete, and you can just delete some of that to save some storage. As you can see, it's taking up to 16 gigs on the large files and up to 5 gigs on the unused apps. So you can clear that up, and that can help you a lot with your storage. That also increases performance, so make sure you do that. We're just gonna go back, and here you'll find enhanced processing. This processes your apps faster except for games. So you're gonna want to toggle on this feature, but that's a big but. It uses more battery. So you're gonna have to decide whether you want more performance or more battery. So if you want that extra processing from your Samsung device, I definitely recommend this, guys. Make sure you turn that on. Next, we're gonna be going into our memory, and then you're gonna want to turn off this feature that's called RAM Plus. And this is a very famous and popular feature that you guys are very excited about, but it's not actually good, and here are some reasons why. So what this feature does is actually use your phone storage space to provide virtual memory. So using your phone storage as RAM is not good because it's not designed to be RAM, and that can tear down your phone storage, and this can cause lower performance, if that makes sense. So you want to turn this feature off because it's going to ruin your phone's performance on the long run. So I'm sure you don't want that. Next, we're just gonna go back. Just make sure that you clean your RAM often. So you're gonna want to do some cleaning of your RAM, and you see that you have 3.8 gigs of RAM available, and you can also exclude apps if you want. Exclude some apps to not use RAM, but I wouldn't do that. But you can do it if you want some extra RAM that's free on your phone. So yeah, you can do that as well. When you're done, just go back out, and you're gonna want to scroll up, go to auto optimization. Tap on that, and make sure you turn this feature on. This feature will restart your phone when you need it to be restarted. Of course, it automatically restarts your phone every time, so you can like set a schedule. If I tap restart on schedule, you can see the time where the phone will restart, which is 3 a.m. in the morning. So that's the time when you're sleeping, and you can choose how many days you want it to restart. It can be daily, and the benefits of this is to keep your phone running smoothly and in the best condition possible. So turning this feature on is really helpful as well, and I'm gonna give you guys a bonus tip that everyone needs as well, and people underestimate this. So let's move on to that. Okay, so with this, it's a must. You'll always have to do this, so I'm sure that sounds familiar. Okay, so you're gonna scroll all the way up, and then we're gonna go to software update, download and install. This checks your software updates, and you must make sure you always install the latest software update because this helps with performance and also security. So make sure you have this sorted out and don't neglect your updates. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. That's 5 tips to make your phone faster on your Android phone or Samsung phone. So make sure you got everything and you practice them and do them correctly, if that makes sense. But yeah, other than that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.